Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna see about Indian writing in English literature. Indian English literature is also known as Indo-Anglian literature. In this we're gonna see about history and growth of Indian writing and its major writers and their works. The first Indian novel in English was Rajmohan's Wife, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, which was published in 1864. The first book written by an Indian in English was The Travels of Deen Muhammad, which was a travel narrative written by Sheikh Deen Muhammad and published in England in 1794. Bianca or the Young Spanish Maiden by Torudet was the first novel written by an Indian woman in English literature, which was published in 1878. Kisari Mohan Ganguly translated the Mahabharata into English, the only time the epic has ever been translated in its entirety into a European language. The major writers in Indian English fiction are Rabindranath Tagore, R.K. Narayan, Salman Rushdie, Mulk Raj Anand, Raja Rao, Arundhati Roy, Amitav Ghosh and Anita Desai. Rabindranath Tagore's famous work was Gora, which was published in 1910. Gora is rich in philosophical debate on politics and religion. R.K. Narayanan was well known for his novel Swami and Friends, which was published in 1935. Swami and Friends is the first of a trilogy novels, and this story revolves around a 10-year-old schoolboy named Swaminathan and his friends. Salman Rushdie's famous work was Midnight's Children, which was published in 1981. This novel portrays India's transition from British colonial rule to independence and the partition of India. It is considered an example of post-colonial, postmodern and magical realist literature. Mulk Raj Anand's most notable work was Untouchable, which was published in 1935. The plot of this book revolves around the argument for eradicating the caste system. It depicts a day in the life of Baka, a young sweeper who is untouchable due to his work of cleaning latrines. Raja Rao was famous for his Kandapura, which was published in 1938. Kandapura portrays the dominant caste like Brahmins are privileged to get the best region of the village, while lower castes such as pariahs are marginalized. Despite this classist system, the village retains its long cherished traditions of festivals in which all castes interact and the villages are united. Arundhati Roy's debut novel was The God of Small Things, which was published in 1997. It is a story about the childhood experiences of fraternal twins whose lives are destroyed by the love laws that lay down who should be loved and how much. The book explores how the small things affect people's behavior and their lives. The book also reflects its irony against casteism, which is a major discrimination that prevails in India. Amitav Ghosh, the famous novel was The Hungry Tide, which was published in 2004. This story is about the suffering of people in Sundarbans due to tidal floods coming without any warning, rise and surge over the land, leaving devastation in their wake. And in this place of vengeful beauty, the lives of three people from different worlds collide. Anita Desai was famous for her Clear Light of Day, which was published in 1980. Set primarily in Old Delhi, the story describes about the tensions in a post-partition Indian family, starting with the characters as adults and moving back into their lives throughout the course of the novel. Rabindranath Tagore, whose living period was from 1861 to 1941, wrote in Bengali and English and was responsible for the translations of his own work into English. R.K. Narayan contributed over many decades and continued to write till his death. He is similar to Thomas Hardy. Narayan created the fictitious town of Malgudi where he set his novels. Some criticize Narayan for parochial, detached and closed world that he created in the face of the changing conditions in India at the times in which the stories are set. Others such as Green, however, feel that through Malgudi they could vividly understand the Indian experience. Mulk Raj Anand was similarly gaining recognition for his writing set in rural India, but his stories were harsher and engaged sometimes brutally with divisions of caste, class and religion. Raja Rao, an Indian philosopher and a writer, authored Kandapura and The Serpent and the Rope, which are Indian in terms of their storytelling qualities. The major poets in Indian English literature are classified according to their theme of writing poems. The poets who wrote in the theme of evolution of Indian poetry are Henry Louis Vivian Derozio, Rajaram Mohan Roy, Sri Aurobindo, and Rabindranath Tagore. The poets who wrote in the theme of nature are Sarojini Naidu and Toru Dutt. The poets who wrote poems in the theme of feminism are Kamala Das, Eunice D'Souza, and Imtiaz Darkar. The poets who wrote poems in the theme of history, nation, and politics are Sarojini Naidu, A.K. Ramanujam, and Jayanta Mahatpara. And this is how the Indian English literature has grown from that age to this age. Literature is not a museum, it is a living thing. In that, the growth of Indian English literature is remarkable. So please do read more and write more. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe Learn with AD YouTube channel. Thank you.